I'm going to talk about types of sentences. Sentences की भी different types होती हैं और you might be knowing some of them या कभी पहले आपने इस पे बात की होगी, लेकिन ये इसमें it is an essential to know the different types of sentences, because when you read something, you listen to something, or you have to write something, so you should be familiar with different types of sentences. Before talking about different types, I would like to get back to the definition of sentence. ये इस पे हम बात कर चुके हुए हैं, but मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप एक दफ़ा फिर इसको देख लें. A sentence is a sequence of words which begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop or exclamatory mark or question mark. It forms a complete thought. इसके ऊपर हमने बड़ी डिटेल में बात की हुई है कि sentence must convey a complete thought and complete meaning. वे आपको याद होगा जब हम कंपेयर कर रहे थे, when we were comparing clauses and phrases and sentences, तो हमने तब ये बात की थी कि phrases don't convey any meaning. Number 2, a clause can convey a complete meaning or sometimes cannot convey a complete meaning. Number 3, but a sentence must convey a complete meaning. और अगर वो complete meaning convey नहीं करता, there is no complete thought, it means it is not a sentence. So ये तो था sentence की बात. Now there are different types of sentences. When we talk about the types, तो हम normally दो तरह की classification बनाते हैं. एक क्लासिफिकेशन ये है कि जो सिंपल सेंटेंस है, there are not multiple combinations and different combinations and different additions and different deductions. You simply have a sentence, simple sentence. It was raining. It is a simple sentence. No, you can't find anything else in this sentence. No phrases, no clauses, no combinations, nothing. So it's a simple sentence. A simple sentence makes sense on its own and usually gives one piece of information. ये आपका simple sentence है. Compound sentence is normally a combination of two sentences or two clauses. Two parts एक sentence के जब join होते हैं किसी कनेक्शन के साथ किसी, और अब हमें आप ये भी पता है कि व्हाट डू वी कॉल दैट कनेक्शन. हम उस कनेक्शन को कंजंक्शन कहते हैं. एंड वी हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट इट दैट कंजंक्शन सर्व्स लाइक अ ग्लू, और जिस तरह ग्लू चीज़ों को जोड़ती है, कंजंक्शन जो है वो सेंटेंसेस को एंड ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स को जोड़ता है. सो कंपाउंड सेंटेंसेस इज नॉर्मली आर कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ क्लॉजेस व्हिच हैव बीन जॉइंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ कंजंक्शंस. जैसे कि it was raining, so I took my umbrella. You can see it was raining is one clause, I took my umbrella is one clause or one sentence. और so जो है वो इसको जोड़ रहा है और ये connection है. It is a compound sentence. Complex जो है, as it was raining, I took my umbrella. You see, I took my umbrella, or as it was raining, this might also be the formation of this sentence. But you see, you can see that there is one independent clause, that is, I took my umbrella. And dependent clause is, as it was raining. Because as it was raining gives you incomplete thought. I took my umbrella gives you a complete thought, but as it was raining, ये आपको incomplete है. As it was raining तो फिर क्या हुआ? आपको नहीं पता. ये इनकम्प्लीट है, सो इसलिए इसको हम डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज कहेंगे. कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस जो है, इट इज़ अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ डिफरेंट क्लॉजेस एंड नॉर्मली इंडिपेंडेंट एंड डिपेंडेंट क्लॉजेस जिसमें आ जाएं, या इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉजेस और फ्रेजेस आ जाएं. सो इस किस्म के जहाँ कॉम्बिनेशंस आपको मिल रहे हों, फॉर इंस्टेंस आप कहते हैं मूविंग स्लोली I took my umbrella. अब moving slowly क्या है? It's a phrase. क्योंकि moving slowly को जब आप अलहदा करते हैं तो हमें पता है कि phrase जो है it's a group of words sequence of words which gives you no meaning, moving slowly. कोई मतलब आपको इसका नहीं मिल रहा, but आपको जब इसके साथ आप कंबाइन कर देते हैं, कॉम्बिनेशन बना देते हैं, moving slowly I took my umbrella. Or you say as it was raining I took my umbrella. Combination of two clauses. So ये जो होगा ये क्या होता है, ये आ जाता है complex sentence, phrases का, clauses का, independent clauses, dependent clauses, different combinations, these make complex sentence. So ये एक type की classification है in which we talk about simple, compound and complex sentences. ठीक है जी. एक और तरह की क्लासिफिकेशन भी करते हैं, वो क्या है जी, स्टेटमेंट, क्वेश्चन, एक्सक्लेमेशन एंड कमांड. स्टेटमेंट है जब आप व्हेन यू गिव एनी स्टेटमेंट, एनी सेंटेंस, any information you give. For instance, she works very hard or he goes to school daily. In both of the sentences you are giving certain information. और एक उसमें कोई आपको निगेशन नज़र नहीं आ रही, कोई कुछ नहीं है, तो एक जो स्टेटमेंट आप क्लियरली दे रहे हैं उसको आप डिक्लेरेटिव सेंटेंस कहते हैं, एक इन्फॉर्मेशन आप दे रहे हैं. नंबर 2, क्वेश्चन. As we have talked about questions also when we were talking about the ways of making questions, ठीक है ना, तो वहाँ हमने ये डिटेल में बात की हुई है. when you put certain question, do you work hard, or are you coming to my house, or you say what is your name, where do you live, so it is an other type of the sentence, वो question है. एक और sentence है that is exclamation. For instance, oh, he has lost the match. Wow, what a nice thing you have bought. You see, exclamation where you give certain expression of your feelings also. It is another type of sentence. Number 4 is command or imperative sentence in which you tell someone to do something. For instance, you say open the door. या आप कहते हैं work hard. और आप कहते हैं go to the market and buy these items. So ये सारे के सारे क्या हैं, आप commands दे रहे हैं ना, ये imperative sentences हैं. Fifth one जो है उसको भी sometimes people put as another type of the sentence, that is the negative one. तो उसको for instance, I don't like to play cricket. ठीक है जी, तो इसमें negation आ गई ना, इसको भी sometimes लोग अलग से deal करते हैं. In certain books it has been dealt with the statements because you are making a simple statement. So it is an other type of the classification in which we talk about declaratives and questions and exclamations and commands like that. Now the question is कि आपको किस तरह पता चलता है कि ये sentence कौन सी type का है. You have the knowledge in your mind, or by recollecting that knowledge, or by requesting that section of your mind, by getting to that section of your memory, of your knowledge, आपको पता चलता है कि ये वाला question type है sentence का. For instance, you look at the sentence and the helping verb has been put in the beginning of the sentence. आप कहते हैं, oh, ये तो helping verb बाहर है, इसका मतलब है it's a question. What, where आप देखते हैं, you say it's a question word over here, so it means it's a question. So आप imperative जो sentence है, आपको पता है उसकी formation क्या होती है. You simply use the verb in the beginning of the sentence. Open the door, go to school, work hard. So when you see that verb has been put in the beginning of the sentence, आप कहते हैं तो imperative है. Exclamation कोई आई है, bravo, wow, oops. So you know that this is a exclamation. So by looking at the sentence, by listening to the sentence, by reading that sentence, आपको पता चलता है कि ये type है, because आपके knowledge में already वो चीज़ें हैं. So when you teach these topics, give this knowledge to your students. make clarification about the differences, about the confusions, और उनको बिल्कुल clarify करें कि this is this type, this is this type, why we are saying कि ये है, why we are saying this is ये है, because जब तक आप अपने students को क्यों और कैसे में नहीं डालेंगे, वो अपने logic को use नहीं करेंगे. Remember, उनको critically हमने उसमें रखना है, उसको logic में डालें, क्यों और कैसे में डालें, why, how में डालें, तो उनको the confusions will get clear to them.